and gentlemen, that's what happens when you put a firecracker in a vice.
It's not recording right now. No.
Yeah.
God damn. Just this, real quick.
I wasn't even
Simple
aiming
bottle
at it.
flip. Simple bottle flip. A simple bottle flip. Dude, this is what Petey did. This is what Petey did.
One sec.
On the wood pile, sideways.
Yep.
And he landed.
He landed it over here. Right here.
That was.
That's why I couldn't land it. I ruined the bottom. Sorry. That was a good shot. Ooh! Ow! It's landed!
That was legit.
I'm serious, I just landed that.
Yeah, it was legit, guys. I didn't see it on camera though. I saw it in the real life. You having fun, Petey? Breaking the vice.
I'm fixing it. There you go, see?
No.
I got like half of that on camera.
Oh, where'd that firecracker go?
Shite.
Random middle thing flip. That doesn't flip good.
Yes, it
Oh,
does.
you did a cap flip. Okay, I'm going for the cap flip. Oh! That was actually pretty
Yeah!
cool. Well, that was actually pretty cool. I didn't land it.
Ow.
Goggle flip. Wait, I'm gonna do a cap flip. Hold this real quick. Hold this real quick. I'm gonna do a cap flip.
Oh!
We're gonna do a cap flip. Oh, you bum hole.
You have to do it like right there.
Okay, hold this.
Put it back on.
Okay, let's actually do this. No!
Here you go.
That was actually pretty close.
Oh, look at shining up my broken DS. I think that was in a later video.
No, I don't think that was a video. I didn't get that on camera. Because I was showing your DS.
Did it land?
No.
Quick, somebody go grab it later.
Yeah, we'll do a lighter. A lighter cracker. A lighter cracker.
What is that at?
2:43 plus the video that I stopped because you told me to. Because I thought you meant stop. You just meant don't look. No, ended on a high note. Ended on a high note. That wasn't a high note.
Shit.
I'm not really good.
Just kidding.